reading because I was a good reader till now.
Okay.
I have read, I think, most of the Indian critical and very rare books I have in my library. I used to read, even my family were very much, feeling too much burden that she spent so much on the books and she's reading all the time. So that time I was only 17 when I had a firm determination. And the word he used, which made me think a lot: you are not body. Body is given to you. Use it well.
Okay.
So then I start in a different direction.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
So, okay, for this, why didn't you do it from your house? Why you have to become a sannyasi? Because you have stayed in your house and then you have continued some
As a householder.
Yeah.
I'm not saying that householder can't do it, but everybody have their own way. So like someone have to go by British Airways to India, and someone needs to go by Virgin, someone going on economy, someone or going on business class.
It's their choice.
Not even choice, they have their own way.
Okay.
And which is already predestined. It's not in our hand actually that we can choose.
Okay.
We have very limited choice in the nature. So and the second thing is, if you are a householder, there are very good chances of becoming like you are only thinking about a very small circle.
Yeah.
There are chances. I'm not saying all the householders can do a lot more than today's sannyasis I have seen. Sannyasis sometimes are more focused or more centered on their own self. But some people, those who are householders, they are doing great things.
Okay.
So, but I think for me, it was a choice that if I go out of this way and become a sannyasi, and then I start doing something for the society and humanity, then I can do much better.
Okay.
That's why I chose that.
This path. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
Okay. And who do you think is a better sannyasi or householder?
It's a tricky question actually,
Family person.
but मैं थोड़ा हिंदी में इसका आंसर दूं. I will explain in English as well. हमारे शास्त्रों में आदि गुरु शंकराचार्य, he is the main authority.
Yes.
And he was a like avatar,
Shankaracharya.
and he has written a one line which explains everything. Dhanyo grihasthashram. Why he wrote that? Even if we have our own path, like brahmachari have their path, but after brahmachari you become grihasth, the householder, and after that you choose vanaprasth and sannyas. But some people choose grihasth and sannyas on the same time, on the meantime. Everybody have to go through brahmachari way, but some people as a grihasth they become vanaprasth and sannyasi, but some people directly become sannyasi from brahmachari. Why they choose these two paths, it's their own choice and it's their own nature, personality. But if you ask me, I say Dhanyo Grihasthashram. Why? Because in Grihasthashram, in the householder, they are praying and they are desperate for this universal Brahman. Even they have all the things available for attachment. They are trying to be detached when it's not easy. We say we renounced everything. We don't need anything. We don't have anybody. We just renounced from the whole world. But they are living in the world.